December 16th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Nobu bought 3 items at a farmer's market. What is the total mass in kilograms of all the items that Nobu bought? All right, so here's his items. He bought green pepper, 400 grams, cantaloupe, 3 kilograms. Oh, good, so that's already in kilograms. And a tomatoes, 630 grams. So we need to get all of these to kilograms. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, we're going to say, okay, so this one's already good to go in kilograms. But this one and this one, we need to convert from grams to kilograms because we need to get it to kilograms. So 400 plus 630 is what we're going to start with, and then we'll add on the 3 after. So 400 plus 630. So if we have 630 plus 400, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 1,030. 1,030 grams. So we're going to have 1,030 grams, and we're going to put that over 1. We're going to try to get it to kilograms. Trying to get rid of the grams. All right, kilograms and grams. Let's take a look back. Kilograms and grams. Ooh, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. All right, let's multiply so we can cross out our grams because grams divided by grams equals 1. And that will not change our value. 1,030 times 1 is 1,030. We're going to keep those kilograms. 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Now we're going to divide here. So when you divide 1,030, 1030, divided by 1,000, you get 1.03 or 1 3/10 kilograms. Remember, we're keeping those kilograms. So that's how much the green pepper and tomato together are, the 1.03 kilograms. Now we need to add 3 kilograms to that. So 1.03 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. And then we're going to keep that 0.03 or that 3/100. So it'll be 4 3/100 kilograms. And that's how much he bought. That's it. That's all our answer is. Great job.